How to Stay Alive in the Woods. It's a great example of a book title that's direct and to the point, which is an important best practice to think about when talking about today's topic, subject lines. I'm Jay Moore, and did you know that InVesp found that 47% of people open up their emails based on the subject lines alone? Well, that number should really emphasize how important crafting your subject line is. So what are some of the things we want to keep in mind when we're doing that? Well, first of all, be direct. Right, just like the example of the book I showed you earlier. Very direct, to the point. Don't use any terminology that might be unfamiliar with your subscribers or kind of try to do any jokes or puns, things like that. Save that for inside the email. Be direct and straightforward in your subject line. Ask a question. Another way to approach subject lines is to try to ask a question to pique subscribers' interests. If you're holding an event later on in the month, write a subject line like, "Hey, can I save you a seat?" Or if you're having a sale at your online store, maybe a subject line that says, "How would you like to save 15%? And personalize your subject line. Now, one way to personalize your subject line is to use personalization variables. There's little snippets that you can use in Aweber that add your subscribers' first names to the subject line. But what I also mean by personalize your subject line is to craft a subject line that your subscribers are actually interested in, your set of subscribers. How do you find this out though? Well, with split testing. Let me show you. All right. Over here in Aweber. Now you'll see I have two subject lines. However, the second one here, we've added some emojis to. So we're going to really test to see whether our subscribers are receptive to emojis. Messages, split test. And we'll create a split test. And we'll give the split test a name. And we'll do emojis versus no emojis. We can select what segment of our list gets this split test. And then we can define the segments 50-50 in this case because we have two emails. But if we had a third email, we can actually do a three-way split test. And again, just drag this bar along right here like this. We'll do 50-50 though for this one. Click Save. And now we just need to select our emails from our drafts. So we'll select the one without emojis. We'll select the one with emojis. And then we'll schedule our split test. We'll go for noon on Tuesday. And this way, you can even split test when you're sending your emails. We'll schedule the other one. Again, we'll do Tuesday at noon. And there we go. Our split test is all set up. Now we can revisit that split tests page under the Messages tab anytime we want to check the results of our test. So it's really simple. Subject lines can help improve the open rates of your emails. So take some things into consideration when crafting your next one. Speaking of which, hop in your account today, create a subject line, do some split tests. Don't have an Aweber account yet? Don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.